Hi friends! Let's sing about colors today. What's your favorite color? A. Red like an apple, juicy and bright. Yellow like the sunshine, shiny light. Blue like the sky, so big and wide. Green like the grass where we play and hide. What's your favorite color? Tell me too. Is it red, yellow, green, or maybe blue? Colors are so pretty, colors are so fun. Let's name our favorites one by one. Orange like a carrot, crunchy to chew. Pink like a flower, blooming for you. Purple like grapes, yummy and sweet. Brown like chocolate, my favorite treat. What's your favorite color? Tell me too. Is it orange, pink, or purple, or brown for you? Colors are so pretty, colors are so fun. Let's name our favorites one by one. What's your favorite color? Shout it loud today. Every color's special in its own way. Colors make the world so bright and new. My favorite color is I love you. Yay! Colors are beautiful. Please like, share, and subscribe Kids Fun and Learn channel.